Hi guys, so this is the clear heel that I'm going to be using for my Cinderella shoe. I'm going to turn off this light so you can see it a little bit better in the light, the natural light. So this heel is completely clear. What you're seeing in the center, this is just the steel rod that the shoe is based on. Completely acrylic. The bottom is not see-through, but I'm gonna just be covering this, and then I have to decide if I want to cover this part, this tan part, which sounds weird, but I'm just not sure about it. The other thing that I'm gonna have to make sure of is to not cover these air holes, because I think that's how your foot probably doesn't get sweaty. But other than that, I'm really excited to start this project, and I think it's gonna turn out super cute. So my first step in getting my shoe prepared to cover is making sure that the bottom is taped. For me, the way that I just measure the tape is I just make sure that I can't see the tape when the shoe is level, because you don't want to put Swarovski crystals where you're going to be stepping down. It'll make your step uneven, you're wasting crystals, you're breaking them, and you're possibly ruining your shoe. So I'm going to use this as my point to bead upward from here, and I'm gonna get started. Okay, so this is the tool I'm gonna be using, my Crystal Katana Swarovski crystal tool that I've shown you guys in the tutorial. These are the crystals that I'm using. These are both crystal clears. This is a crystal clear in 16 SS. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. We'll pull it up a little bit closer. So this is the 16. This is what it'll look like on here. And then I'm also using a 9 SS, and I'll actually do like a way closer look at the crystals, but those are the only two sizes that I'm using. I like working with 16s. I always say, like, when I'm ordering, oh, I should get some 20s, but 16s to me are just easy to work with, so that's what I prefer. So I'm gonna get started making this, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.